Did you know that there are mountains of solar panels and trash heaps that hold a $200 billion secret? In these panels are precious materials like gold, silver, copper, and lithium, but no one can figure out how to get it out until now. One small company has cracked the code, and the stock is on the verge of exploding over 4,000%. This is what Alex Koyfman is claiming in his newest stock teaser. I reveal the stock so you don't have to pay Koyfman nearly $3,000 to learn the name. Just keep in mind, no paid or proprietary info is given away in this video. It's all guesswork based on the clues in Koyfman's presentation. Before we do anything, let's look at previous teasers from Koyfman to see how they performed. In February 2022, Koyfman recommended Fuel Positive and claimed it could gain over 11,000%. The stock has gone in the opposite direction. Also, in February 2022, Koyfman recommended Nexi Innovations and claimed it would kill plastic. The stock is down pretty dramatically since. In May 2023, Koyfman recommended Graphene Manufacturing Group, claiming it would win the battery arms race. The stock has tanked since. This is the nature of most newsletters that pitch microcaps. You're going to get massive losers, and the goal is to get one or two big winners to make up for the losses. Let's shift back to the new teaser and see if we can figure out the stock. It starts with the headline, "Eccentric Investor Unveils Hidden Fortune in a Silicon Valley Trash Heap Using a Novel Strategy Known as Urban Mining. He's being coined the world's first." Later in the teaser, Koyfman says urban mining represents a rare opportunity to ascend the financial ladder, and to join a growing class of scrap metal millionaires who are turning elitist disregard into unfathomable wealth. Koyfman is pitching the idea that billions of solar panels will be getting replaced soon and will find themselves in a giant trash heap. However, there's a lot of critical materials in these junk solar panels. And according to Koyfman, these solar panels contain $100 billion in high-grade silver. Koyfman says this silver is so high-grade because average silver grades found in sedimentary ore today contain just 46 grams of silver per ton of ore. That number comes straight from the United States Geological Survey, and it works out to just 0.0047% of silver by weight. Solar panels, on the other hand, contain 0.1% of silver by weight, which means that Waste Mountain is more than 10 times more rich in silver than typical silver ore. So again, 0.1% might not seem like a lot. But to the silver industry, this is the highest grade silver ore on the market. However, it's hard to extract materials like silver from old solar panels because the silver is embedded in very thin, delicate layers within the panel's complex structure. These materials are often fused with glass, plastics, and silicon, making separation labor-intensive, energy-consuming, and costly. And according to Koyfman, a little-known company has cracked the code on extracting silver out of these panels for cheap. Here's the specific clues Koyfman left for us to figure out the stock. First, this company has several mining operations coming online in the next several months. Additionally, Koyfman says, not far from today, it will be extracting 300,000 tons of material from Waste Mountain on a yearly basis. Waste Mountain is just the term Koyfman calls the solar trash heap near the Nevada-California border. And then he says, in 2023, this company had a breakthrough, a groundbreaking method being dubbed urban mining. And he finishes by saying, and between 2001 and 2007, the company's stock increased nearly 10 times from $3.72 to $29.70. I'm going to reveal the stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out AlphaPix. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and AlphaPix performs the best and actually beats the market easily. If you click the link in the description, you get $50 off AlphaPix. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this amazing deal. The company being pitched here is Comstock Inc., and the ticker is LODE. Comstock is a Nevada-based company focused on the development and deployment of environmentally sustainable technologies to extract, process, and recycle strategic materials. While historically rooted in gold and silver mining within the historic Comstock Lode District, the company has transitioned into a diversified player in clean technology and critical materials, targeting large-scale industrial applications. The company is working to commercialize a range of technologies aimed at extracting high-value materials from waste and underutilized resources. One of its major areas of focus is lithium-ion battery recycling through a subsidiary, Linico Corporation, which develops and integrates processes to recover lithium, nickel, cobalt, and other critical metals from spent batteries. Additionally, Comstock has ventured into biomass conversion technology. Through its stake in a company called Bioleum, it is developing methods to convert waste biomass, such as forest debris or agricultural residues, into renewable fuels, oils, and carbon-based products. Beyond technology development, Comstock owns significant land and mineral rights in Nevada, which continue to serve as a strategic asset. Here's the top 10 things to know about this stock, and after I'll tell you my opinion. First is from mining to green tech. Comstock has transitioned from traditional mining to focus on renewable energy and sustainable technologies, including biomass fuels and solar panel recycling. Second is recent reverse stock split. In February 2025, Comstock executed a 1-for-10 reverse stock split, reducing outstanding shares from approximately 237 million to about 24 million, aiming to enhance share price and attract institutional investors. Third is strategic partnerships boost growth. The company has secured significant partnerships, such as with Marathon Petroleum for biomass refining and RWE Clean Energy for solar panel recycling, positioning itself as a key player in the renewable sector. Fourth is financial snapshot. As of May 2nd, 2025, Comstock's stock price stands at $2.55, with a market capitalization of approximately $61 million. Fifth is revenue growth amidst losses. In 2024, the company reported revenues of $3.02 million, up from $1.27 million in 2023. However, it also reported a net loss of $53.32 million, indicating ongoing challenges in achieving profitability. Sixth is high debt levels. Comstock's debt-to-equity ratio stands at 31.25%, reflecting significant leverage that could impact financial flexibility. Seventh is volatile stock performance. The stock has experienced significant volatility, with a 52-week high of $10.10 and a low of $1.26, highlighting the risks associated with investing in the company. Eighth is innovative subsidiaries. Comstock's subsidiaries, such as GenMat AI and Greenlie Ion, focus on cutting-edge technologies like AI-driven materials discovery and lithium-ion battery recycling, offering potential for future growth. Ninth is low institutional ownership. Institutional investors hold approximately 6.91% of Comstock's shares, suggesting limited endorsement from large financial entities. Tenth is speculative investment. Given its financial challenges and ambitious growth plans, investing in Comstock is speculative and may appeal more to risk-tolerant investors seeking exposure to emerging green technologies. The price movements of Comstock are some of the most interesting I've ever seen. Most small-cap stocks are volatile, but few are as volatile as Comstock. In the last 5 years, this stock has been over $50, and just a few months ago, it was $9. The stock is at a low point right now, and when it's been at these levels in the past, it has tripled or more quickly. Obviously, past price movements don't guarantee it will happen again, but that alone makes this stock tempting. From a business and financial standpoint, though, this stock isn't very attractive to me. I have no clue if extracting silver from solar panels is going to work out long-term for Comstock. They aren't really generating any revenue from it, so it's all guesswork whether they'll succeed. They have a lot of debt and aren't even close to profitability. They'll need to raise a lot of money to stay afloat and probably won't have tangible results for years. So if you're looking to invest in this company long-term, I'd probably hold off until they prove this can be a viable business. I personally don't see this company as a good long-term investment yet. However, I kind of think this stock has meme stock potential because it's surged many times in the past. If you're good at selling at the right time, maybe you'll be able to time this one just right. I personally don't like investing that way, but I know some of you do. Let me know in the comments if you plan on investing in Comstock and why. Also, Seeking Alpha is having a spring sale for their premium stock analysis tool. If you sign up today, you can get it for a week free, get a $30 discount on the yearly, and get their next stock pick from Alpha Picks for free. Click the link in the description to check it out.